A very good evening to all of my dear students. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. So, in this situation, we need to be at home and study hard. So, this is Seema in front of you, and today I am going to cover the exercise questions of chapter words. I hope you all enjoy my earlier videos also that I have prepared for the what do animals eat and watch this interesting video till end to know more about birds. Okay, so let's start. Come to the exercise. Yes. Okay, so the first section, it is objective question. There is 4 options given for each questions. So the question number 1 is the tail of a bird helps it to. So the tells it not to swim, not to run, not to walk, obviously fly. The second number question is the body of a bird is covered with. So it covered with feathers because the fur it present on shapes camel. The hair present it on humans. Dog. Okay, and this is scales it is present in on fish. Okay, so feather it is the correct option. The third number question is a bird breathes and eats with the help of its obviously beak. Okay, to protect birds we must grow more trees because this is the shelter of the birds. And yes, birds are carnivores also, but some of them they used to eat food, tendon leaves, fruit. So that's why trees it is most important for the birds. Okay, now the second section that you have to level. So here you can see this is eye. Back of the eye you can see one hole, that is ear, that is leg, and the words finger it is called toe. Okay, toes. This is tail, that is wing. Why I'm writing this all things in one side, because this is the right way to name picture. Okay, the next. Actually I don't have enough space to write these all names together here in this mobile screen. So listen, this is eye, at the back it is ear, this is beak. This all names you should write in one side. Okay. Okay, now the third section, it is tick the features which are present in all words. In all words, not only one. Okay, so feathers are present in all words: two eye, two legs, two ears, two wings, two tail. Weak, no, this is webbed feet. This is only present on water words, not in all the words. Okay, so now let's start the second section. Okay, the fourth and fifth section, it is of statement. One statement or a few statements, so this is not possible to explain here, so I have already prepared one PPT for you all. So let's see, I will explain from here. Okay, words. Now come to the question number 1 of section 4. So what is the first question? Name 2. This is section 4 questions. Okay, name 2 flightless word, the word that can't fly. So the two flightless words, one is ostrich and the second is penguin. Learn the spelling also. Ostrich, OSTRICH, and the spelling of penguin, PENGUIN. So these are the words. The next question, what helps water birds keep their feathers dry? That you can see in your textbook. Did you know fact? Water birds have oil glands which produce oil, and the oil prevents their feathers from getting wet. Very easy. Obviously oil, its density lower than the water, and that's why it protects. Okay, what are flight feathers? So feathers on the wings and tail that help a bird to fly is called flight feathers. Next question, what type of beaks do parrots have? So parrots have a strong and curved beak, and with the help of this they eat seeds and nuts. Okay. Parrot, some of people they use they keep parrot as the pets. Okay, where does the peahen build its nest? So peahen built its nest on the ground. This is not water animal. Okay, the next section, fifth section. Answer the following question in 2 or 3 sentences. So the first question is describe the different types of feather of a bird. So there are total 3 types of, sorry, this is feather. Okay, body feather, down feather, flight feather. Now what is body feather? These are small and stiff feathers that gives shape to the body, that is on the upper side of the body. Okay, stiff feather means the whole covered part of the feather, that is by body feather. The next it is down feather. These are small and fluffy feathers that keep the bird's body warm. And the last is flight feathers. As I said, what is flight feathers? Here you can see feathers on the wings and tails that help a bird to fly. Okay, so these are flight feathers. These are the 3 types of feathers a bird have. Now the second question is give 2 examples to show that all birds do not have the same type of feet. Yes. Actually, birds' feet come in different sizes and shapes. A bird foot is designed to help it navigate its environment and find the food it needs. So, what is the 2 type of birds? Perching birds and flesh-eating birds. What is perching birds? So, these birds live on trees. What help? Why it is called perching? So, they use their feet to move on branches of trees for food, and their feet are shaped to grip the branches. Or the perching birds, it is parrots and kingfisher fishers, where they live on the branch of the tree. Flesh eating birds, like birds such as hawks and eagles, have a strong feet with sharp claws, and these are called talons, which help them to catch and grip small animals between their toes while flying. The next question is why do birds build nest? So as we humans, we also need home to live. Even wild animals also live. Some of them roam here and there, and some of them they live on land, but they make home also, like a lion, tiger, where they live in den. Okay, now here the snake, rats, rabbit, where they live, burrow, horse, shelter. Why? So bird also need nest. Why they need nest? So birds build their nest mostly to lay eggs in them, and it is the nest that their eggs hatch, and the parent birds feed the baby birds and protect them, and baby birds stay in the nest till they are able to fly. So this is the reason the birds need a built nest. The fourth number question is why do different birds have different kinds of beak? Due to their feeding habit. Different types of bird have different types of beak, different types of feet, different types of feeding habit, different types of structure. Okay, so the main use of beak is for feeding and feeding or breathing all they takes as same, only feeding it is different. Some of them carnivores, some of them carnivores, some of them omnivores. So since beaks are mainly used for feeding, the variation in beak shape and size mostly has to do with the food that each species prefers. Some beaks are made for digging seeds out of shell, while others are designed to dig deep into the ground to pull out prey items like hen, you can say. Now, last but not the least, question number 5 is yes, list the features that help birds fly. Okay. Okay, so what would things it is necessary to make a bird fly? So the body of a bird has special features that help it to fly easily. Why? Because the body of a bird, sorry, it is bird, birds. The body of a bird, its shape such that it can move easily through the air. Its body structure, its shape. The second, the bones are hollow and filled with air, and as you know, air density it is very low, so it make it, so this make its body lightweight and helps it to float easily in the air. And the last thing, a bird flies with the help of wings. Okay, and in the previous video I have make you understand also what is upstroke and downstroke. Okay, actually the bird flaps its wing in upward and downward direction, which causes it to move in a forward direction. So this all, it is the feature that bird helps to fly easily. So this was it. I hope you will like the video, so watch it and get benefit. Okay dear, bye bye, good night.